Hi, I'm going to show you a research project I participated at Autonomous Space Robotics Lab at U of T. It is a computer vision related project, and what I managed to do is to fix a bunch of raw spec imagery data that we collected before and during the field trial. I'm going to explain it very much in detail. So let me look through our file system. I have the Lancaster data that already exists. This is what we collected during the field test. It is a raw spec file. A raw spec file is what we use in the robotics operating system to collect and record the imagery data. So we can play this back. So I'm already in the directory, so I'm playing this back, and I'm going to play this raw spec file back in the image view. And as we can see here, this raw spec file is it's actually a bare patterned file, imagery data file, but we can see there is offset in the image. So basically, the left side of the image should be on the right side of this right image. So these two images are swapped. What I'm going to do is to swap these two images back, and also at the meantime do some image pre-processing of the images. So I'm going to turn off this ROS-ROM node. Yes. Okay. This is a piece of code I wrote here to swap the two images, like the left side and the right side. And the offset is at a fixed position of exactly 256 pixels from the left. So what I did here is to have a left placeholder image that temporarily contains the left image and the right, which serving the same purpose. What I managed to do is to create a new frame of image and put the left frame of image on the right side and put the right side of image on the left side. And I will publish this ROS topic back. Oh, before I do that, I also need to change the encoding to RGB8. So this is the main piece of code I did. This piece of code is written in C++ called image inspector node. So this is the image inspector launch file, which launches the ROS node. So right here, as we can see, it is going step by step. It is running the ROS spec play, so it is playing back the data as I did before, and it playing back the data as I did before, and it calls this image inspector node, which does the swapping, and also it calls the edge detector node, which detects the edges that's existing in the frame. This could tell us if there is still an offset image. And then we would call the image proc package. What it does is that it debayers this image. Because it was in Bayer encoded, and when I call this decoder, it will debayer this image to the RGB. And after that, I would decimate the image. At this meantime, it also serves the purpose to undistort this image. And eventually I will output this image, giving the output ROS topic camera out image rect. I'm going to play this launch file to show what would happen to the original image. So I have had the ROS launch command here. So it's ROS launch image inspector, the package name, and also the node launch file. So I will just play this. As we can see here, this is edge detector. This shows the edge that's been detected in the current frame of image. These are actually a lot of trees that's being captured from the camera from a UAV that's flying in the air. And if I want to play the current frame of image, I would try to do a RAW camera out image rect. This is a RAW topic that outputs the final image we want. We play this and replay our RAW spec. And we can see this is the image that's after fixing the offset, the decimation, and also on distortion. And this is the current edge detector working on. And we can change the threshold if we want. We can change it to, like, I don't know, 110, I think. Yes, okay. So this is the image we are playing. These are a lot of trees. And if we want to see a color mode of it, let me just pause this. Oh, let me relaunch this. Pause it and try to run another ROS topic. Oh, actually, I'm not quite sure about ROS topics, so I'll do a ROS topic list. These are all the ROS topics existing in this ROS node. What I think the color thing should be ROS camera image rect color or camera image color. Let me try camera image color and replay the ROS launch. So this is the colored imagery data we have, and this is image data we are going to use in the later phase of this research project to do the visual navigation of this UAV, which is not relevant to what I'm doing here. Well, it's quite relevant, sorry. Yeah, I'm going to just pause this. So this is basically what this piece of ROS node is doing. So to make a summary, what it does is to fix the offset. Well, where the offset is at a fixed position in the image data, and it is able to also undistort the image, do the image pre-processing on the raw images. So this is basically what I did for this research project. Thank you so much for your consideration. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.